Good day, Divergence traders. Look at that. I'm on time today. Can you believe it? All right. And not the best of days for Divergence today. So, here's the stock market open. They did their usual crap where they take it up and get everybody long and then take it right down even farther than they went up, because all the stops are right here. For everybody who went long, you put your stop right here, and they came back and they got your stop. And now they're taking it back up again, because that's just what they like to do. But let's go look in the 1 minute, see if we got any trades there. Nope, there's no trade up here. Wow, no trade. Our only trade would have been right here to buy it. And our stop would have been right there, and they would have come and got your stop. Bastards, eh? Bastards. Let's take a look. It's probably all the same for the S&P and the Dow. Same pattern, same rally and then sell off. So I'm not going to mark anything on there. Well, hold on, maybe we had a trade at the top. Oh. Okay. We had a trade on this one, ladies and gents. Look, 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 look. We have a high and a higher high. This is the S and the P, okay? And right here is the divergence. So we would have got short right there. Boom. Our stop would have been 5 points. And it went down total 19 points. 19 points. There is divergence down here. Okay, I'm going to show you. Actually, right there. Okay, just like that. You would have got long right here. Okay, and your stop would have been right here. So guess what? It would have come back and got your stop. But if you were willing to put up your dukes and start fighting back, okay, we then had another setup. You'd stretch that over here like this, low and lower lows, and that up like that, okay? And we would have bought it right there. So if we bought it here and our stop was here, we lost 5 points, but then we did the buy again. We got the 5 points right here. If we held it up to here, there's 10 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 right there, or your 2-to-1 right up here. Okay? And you did real well on this trade right here. This is the 1 minute. Like I said the other day, some days you need to trade on the 1 minute because the 5 minute is too slow. Sorry, I had to get a little water there. Okay, so that is the S and the P. Let's look at the Dow. What did it do? Oh, not looking good. Yeah, we have hidden divergence right before the open. There it is. If you're willing to buy it 5 minutes, after the stock market opened, if you bought it right here, okay, your stop would be 50 points, and it went up 80 points. You would have got your 1-to-1 if you were willing to trade in here in the first, in the first 10 minutes. First 20 minutes, you would have hit your target quickly. And I'm sure on the 1 minute, there was a trade. Oh yeah, look. There you go. Here's another one. Same as the S and the P, right there. And right there. Oh, something started playing here, excuse me. Commercials. Okay, hold on. Would have got long right there. Stop would be right there. It did come down to scare you, but it wouldn't have hit your stop, and then they took it up. Right? So on this trade, they took it up 67 points. Okay? And your stop would have been 30 points. 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. And then we had the first trade. Let me get back to that one, which was right there. Right, I sold it right there. Your stop would have been 26 points. And it went down 75. So you would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio on the sell. See, a buy, up it goes, winner, sell, down it goes, winner, and then a third buy, up it goes, it was a winner. 3 trades, 3 winners. Okay, let's move on. Pound dollar. What did it do? It just sold off. There's no trade up here. Look. This here mountain peak needs to be lower than the left side, and it's not. So there's no trade here to sell. There is trades, of course, on, on the 1 minute, but I'm not going to go into it. I don't want to be here all day. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see what does it look like. Same thing, no trade. No trade up here. Because the price, the indicator followed the price. Yeah, there's trades on the 1 minute, but not on the 5. So let's move along now. I don't want to take all day. I don't want to take all your time. Pound yen, 5 minute. So we definitely did have divergence on the pound yen. So we got a low and a lower low right there. And right here like this. But it got in right there and it went up 36 pip points on the pips on the pound yen. 21 point stop. You would have got your 1-to-1 right in here very easily. Euro yen, same thing. Oh yeah, look at the euro yen. Right here, beautiful trade, beautiful, beautiful. Like a beautiful red-headed woman with blue eyes. Yes, yes indeed. Right there. You would have got in exactly right there. Boom. Stop was 12 pips, and it went up 44 pips. Gotta like that. Now, what about up here? Low and lower low? No, there's no divergence there to buy it. Okay, let's take a look at gold on the 15 minute. Look at this crap. Zing, zang, yin, yang, yin, yang, yin, yang. And then the news happened and down it came. See, there's no trade. There's no trade here. There's nothing. It's all in the red too. There's no trade. No trade. There might be on the well, let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah. I don't know. Well, yeah, I guess so. We had a trade here, ladies and gentlemen. But still, where would you get in? You would have to sell in mid-flight to the downside. So say you got in right here, your stop would be 38 pips, and it went down 87 pips. So you would have done okay, even if you sold right here after it closed the main candle, the main cross down candle. Dry mouth today. Wow. Okay, so anyway, there was the trade. I can put the arrow on, I guess. Somewhere in here you would have got in. And then we have oil. What did oil do today? Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. What time is this? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Oil. Right there. See that, ladies and gents? It's going down. That's what we want to see. Or it's going up, I should say. Going up and going down. That is divergence if I ever did see it. Okay? So you would have got short. Yeah, somewhere in here or here. I don't know where. So you jumped in with it. So you jumped in right here. It's hard to tell when there's a big candle, you know. So your stop would be 81 ticks. Did we get 81 ticks? Oh yeah. Yeah, it went down 140 ticks basically. Yeah, 140 ticks. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Cool. All right, and that's all the trades for today, ladies and gents. I want to thank you for coming out today, and it's on time today. I'm sorry about that, but I had a problem, medical problem. Yeah, I gotta go. Keep going now for the next, I don't know, week or so. I hope sooner, and this open wound with, you know, a pretty good artery there that's just bleeding. And oh, I never tell you the reason why I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding because where it won't stop, because I have had 3 strokes. I think I've told you that before. So I want to keep my blood thin, right? So I'm taking these aspirins, but not regular aspirins. They call them 81s in Canada, and they're just like a weaker aspirin to keep your blood flowing, so I don't get another freaking stroke. So because I'm on there and on those and my blood's thinned up, right? That's why when this situation happened, it wouldn't stop bleeding because the blood is too thin. That's what's going on here. So for the next week or so, I gotta go every couple of days and get it rebandaged, and oh yeah, until it heals up enough that it won't start bleeding at any given moment. You know what I mean? So anyway, like I said, thanks for coming out. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. If you're going to trade this afternoon, be careful. Use stops and take profits. Okay. Good luck and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow.